Layla, gotta let go of it. She has her claw. Oh, did have her claw hooked right onto the toy. Oh, you want the other toy? Okay. Now you want this toy? Okay. Yeah, watch out for the... You silly kitty. Want feather toy? Oh, you want this one? Okay. Get it, Maya. Get it, Maya. Get the toy. Get the toy. Layla doesn't know if she should get one of the toys or get Maya's tail. They usually like to antagonize each other with their tails. Today, I am cleaning out both refrigerators that we have in our breezeway here. Aw, bunch of stuff just fell. A week ago, we got a brand new refrigerator for the kitchen. And now I'm just cleaning out the 2 refrigerators out here. One's going to be used as a beverage refrigerator, and the other one, when need to, will be plugged in and be used for overflow. I got the freezer cleared out in this one already. And now I'm going to work on the freezer of this refrigerator, get this one cleared out. And again, gotta clean out both refrigerators because one will be used for beverages like soda, milk, tea, whatever. And the other one will just be used for overflow and be plugged in when needed. Anyways, I'm little by little putting stuff into the new refrigerator. Got a few things in already. And I figure I might as well go through the other 2 refrigerators, see what can be brought in here and be put away. Okay, got one refrigerator all cleaned out. Waiting for the freezer part to thaw out a little bit more to warm up, because there's ice way in the back yet. But I got the refrigerator part all cleaned. And Layla was just in the bottom not too long ago inspecting the fridge. By the time I turned on the camera, she left. Anyways, got one fridge down and one to go.